Hi everyone, welcome back to A Creatively Crafted Life. This is Melanie, and guess what? We're already into February. Can you believe that? And last year I participated in something called Finish It February, and I thought I would do that again this year. And if you want to play along with me, that would be fantastic. So what I thought I would do is, I have these 4 kits, if you will, that I've had for quite a while, and I've shuffled them from their previous home to kind of just sitting out there, right? Like, so they're homeless currently. And I have 4 of them, and I thought it might be kind of fun to work on and try to use up one each week for the month of February. So let me just show you what I've got to play with, and what'll end up happening is I will work on projects throughout the week, and I'll come back and give you an update so you can see what I did with them. The containers that I'm using, by the way, they're called stufftainers, and they are from Stampendous, and they're like a clamshell. They're great for kits because they have a little bit of depth to them. So what I have here is from Queen and Company, and it's, I've got a 6x6 paper pad with a lot of bright, fun colors. I have some foam circles, and the idea behind this is to make shaker cards. There's also some plastic that goes with that to complete the shaker cards. It came with a bunch of beads, which is great, and some sticker sentiments. So thank you for all the smiles. Oh snap, it's your birthday. And there was a die that came with it. So let me see if I can go find the die and show you what it looks like. So this is the die. It is a camera, and then this circle piece equals the circle piece out with the foam. So it should make for really easy cards. So I'm going to put that in here. That will be one that I'm working on. And I'm probably going to make cards, I think. I have a few Kaiser Craft kits here. This one is called Provincial. And what's included in here is a paper pad. Kaiser Craft paper pads are 6.5 inches square. It's got a bit of a rustic kind of vintage feel to it, outdoor feel. I have the die cut ephemera pieces to coordinate with it. I have these pearls, and it also came with some glitter tape. I would like to make some base pages out of here, I think, and I think these would make great layouts for my ancestry album. So I will probably just make some base pages, and then with whatever's left over, I will make some cards. For this one, it is the Kaiser Craft True Love, and it has a very floral pink hearts kind of theme to it, so it'd make great Valentine's cards. I don't actually need them for this year, but you know, you could start on next year's. And I have the ephemera pack with that, as well as some pearls. So I will probably make mostly cards out of this one, I'm thinking. And this kit came with Storybook paper pad, and it has a bit of a vintage flair to it as well, as you can see. So it would make some great pages for my ancestry album. But I also received these little book covers, so I thought it might be cute or a great idea to make a little mini album out of it. So that might be coming this way. And here's the Storybook ephemera pack. I obviously opened it to look at it. And it, like you can see, it has a bit of a vintage flair. And then I have these wooden flourishes and these pearls. So maybe a mini album. We'll see. So I will be immensely pleased if I could use most of this up. While the challenge is to finish it, it is just for fun. So if I don't completely finish, let's say the paper pad or all the ephemera, I'm okay with that, right? It's more the idea that I will use up the majority of this and have some great projects to show for it. Let me know below if you're going to participate. I'd love to know what challenge you are issuing yourself to finish in February. So stay tuned, and at the end of the week, I will give you an update. Thanks everyone, and until next time, happy crafting!